Teach you how to draw Hu Tao from Genshin Impact. Draw the familiar crosshairs. Use straight lines to first draw the broad outline of the hat. Then draw the internal structure of the hat. Then draw the large structure of the hair block. Forehead hair structure position. Side features decoration. Draw facial structure lines and face shape. Then use a straight line to draw the hand, shoulders, and hair structure pressing shoulders. Outline the maximum area structure of hair. Just the hair details. First draw a quadrilateral on the hat. Draw the details of the pattern inside. Finish drawing the color. Then first sketch the structure of the flowers on the hat. Outline the petal shape according to the structure. Then draw the details of each stamen. Pay attention to the relationship between flowers. After painting the branches, clip the hair details. Then draw the fingers according to the structure of the hand. Beads on wrist. Finish painting forehead hair. Just start drawing eyes. Draw eyes comparing each other. You can first draw a pentagon for the eyes, then draw the overall small details. Draft completed. Oh my, the more I use the little pen, the more I use it. It's better to draw first and then talk about it. Use a medium carbon pen. First draw the string on the hat. Arrange the strings along the edge of the hat. Attention size. Then the wiring needs to be even. And the length of the cable. Draw petals again. Arrange lines next to each other along the petals. Please highlights. Arrange cables from outside to inside and inside to outside. After drawing, arrange the lines along the direction of the hair. If you want your hair to be drawn smoothly, hold the pen tightly. Use your wrists to exert force. Observe hair direction. Don't draw messy. Gradient alignment. Decorative color. Arrange cables from outside to inside. Finish drawing buttons. Then finish arranging the last hair on the small ball. Just start deepening the brackets and hands. Draw eyebrows in straight lines. Draw eyes again. Need to pay attention to the depth of the eyeball. Finally, I started to draw the edges of the hair. 3D shadow details. Then draw the eyes and nose. Shadow position. Finish drawing the lower lip and mouth. Finally, after drawing the shadow of the neck stalk, it is completed. This time let's knead it first. Pinch the plasticine. Be prepared. After rolling the cocoon, take out the special hook pen. This look and feel. Pick it up and start doing it. First, draw the most important lines from Hu Tao's hair. Arc drawing edge. Then draw a straight line and draw the hat in the center of the side. Draw interior details after observing the hair in the middle of the forehead. Between, pay attention to outline the shape of the petals on the hat. Slowly outline all the details of the petals and stamens. Then outline the details of the staggered hair on the right. Be careful not to make the connection between hair accessories and hair to when drawing hair, you must pay attention to the relationship between primary and secondary lines. Finish draw a facial contour. Pay attention to the lines of your fingers. Then outline the entire hand shape. Draw the neck stem and collar. The small details on the collar should also be clearly outlined. Finish sketching the final hair and shoulders. Let's start drawing the eyes. Finish drawing the outer outline of the eyes and the small details in the eyeballs. This roll, the characteristic of the eyes is the 5 petals inside the eyeballs. Finally, outline the mouth and nose and you're done.